Good day, Pinoy clixers and mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to mash and smash. So let's go, go, go. Okay, so we have here Marvel Superhero Mashers featuring the Juggernaut. Okay, and as you can see here, it also mashed up with Marvel's Colossus. Okay, we see some parts there of Colossus. Okay, and this is good because Colossus and Juggernaut are always like tandem, being the hero villain, and as we all know, Colossus also became the herald of City Rock, okay, and became the a Colossus as well, a Juggernaut as well. Okay, so anyway, so this is from a trade with Sandy. Okay, so thank you very much, Sandy. I already have one of these, which is the Iceman, so I'm happy to get another X-Men Juggernaut for trade. Okay, so we can see here that the main idea is that you collect a bunch of this and mix and match superhero to create your own perfect one. Okay, on the side of the box, we see here the extension of that image. Okay, and on the other side, we see the Juggernaut. Okay, so and this product includes Juggernaut figure, Fist launcher, two gear accessories, Marvel's Colossus head and arm. Okay, so interesting. And at the back, we see that you can upgrade your mash app by getting more. There's Juggernaut here, Hulk, Scar, Marvel's Whiplash, and Spider-Man. Okay, so interesting. So you can make your own. Okay, but before we go ahead and open this product, we have to look at the Heroclix version of Juggernaut. Okay, and what better Juggernaut to look at than the Collector's Trove Super Rare. Okay, so this particular Juggernaut is one hell of a figure. Okay, let's zoom in a little. There you go. Oops, too much. Okay, so you can see the sculpt. Okay, he's screaming, and it's a big boy figure. Okay, so this actually comes with a Crimson Gem of Citrak when you pull him in the booster, which rightfully so. Uh, Figures should always come together with their equipment. Okay, and we have the card here. So, but let's take a look at the Juggernaut first. Okay, there. Okay, Juggernaut is set number 31A. There's a prime of this, which is Juggerduck, which we also have. So he has the Brotherhood of Mutants team ability and keywords as well, together with Thunderbolts, X-Men, Brute, and Mystical. All good stuff. And he has a trait, I'm the Juggernaut. Juggernaut can reduce penetrating damage, and this is safeguard, and he has safeguard outwit. Okay, and a special movement power, ain't nothing can beat me. Charge but don't have speed, which is really strong considering he has 10 movement. So you just charge him in and let him take all the damage because he can reduce penetrating damage. Okay, so even exploit wouldn't work for him. Okay, and he has a special attack power. I am going to build things up. Giant Reach 2 and close. Make a close attack. After resolutions, deal 2 damage to each adjacent opposing character. If Juggernaut destroyed terrain, this turn the damage dealt is penetrating. And this is one of his meta power. Okay, pairing it up with the with the full movement charge. Okay, that means you don't want to use the Giant Reach 2 because you want to charge and then close, meaning go adjacent, smash your original target with 12 attack, 4 damage, and then after resolutions, everyone adjacent to you, including your original target, takes an additional or an extra 2 clicks of damage, which can be penetrating. Okay. Okay, so but the original attack is not penetrating. I guess that the 2 penetrating will be the after effect damage. Okay, so again, really strong for 80 points, and he gets even stronger with a Crimson Gem of Citorak, which of course he can equip for free because he is the Juggernaut. He has the qualifying names. It grants the effect improve movement, break terrain, okay, which he needs for that trait, super strength, and then safeguard, mind control. So the helmet, the representation of the helmet. Okay, so again, nothing, no harm, just to equip him with the Crimson Gem because it's free, and then just go to war. Okay, so that's it for the Heroclix Juggernaut. Let's move on to the Mashers Juggernaut. Okay, the main event. Let's open it now. I won't be keeping the box because I don't have enough space, but we'll try to unbox it gently. This seems to be an old product, which is totally fine. This is 2014. Okay, so a decade ago. So I'm just surprised that it's still in excellent condition. Okay, meaning box, of course, not so excellent, but that's fine. But the figure is sealed, and yeah, okay. I usually would give this to my son, but looking at it now, it seems to be something that I'd like to keep for me personally. Let's see. Because I actually am fond of the Juggernaut. Okay, I'll take all the parts out. Okay, I like to actually build a Colossus. I don't know how many figures I need to get and whether those figures are still something I can pursue because this is such an old product. I might need to go to eBay or whatnot. Okay, and the big boy. There you go. So sorry for that. So we have here the Juggernaut. Okay, so let's build the Juggernaut. The legs. Okay. Okay, so it's just a bit hard because this sort of plastic, once it snaps, it's kind of hard to fix it. Okay. Ooh, I like this already. And then we have here the Juggernaut. I don't know what does it do. The launcher. Ooh! Oh my God, I like it. Okay, this is going to be mine. Not for the kid, but for the big kid. Okay, let's see. Let's put it here. Okay. And then you can just, what's this for? On the side. Okay. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I don't know whose character is this from. Okay, but nonetheless, it might be here. It doesn't look nice. Maybe here. Can be. Okay, but for now, we're not gonna bother with that. And we can see here the extra Colossus arms, okay, which I love, and the Colossus head. Let's see if we can replace it. It doesn't look nice. Okay, it has to be the Juggernaut's head. Okay, so that's it. So Big Boy Juggernaut in clicks and in mashers form. What do you guys think? Should we get more of these mashers? Share your thoughts on the comments and mash!